Animal Reiki Attunement. Hello, I am Reiki Master Isis Estrada, and I welcome you to this, your attunement for Animal Reiki. The use of Reiki energy on our pets and animals in general is a way to thank them for all their company and selfless love. Being able to feel compassion for animals and wanting to help them to have good health speaks of a highly evolved human being with an altruistic sense of selflessness. Your attunement will help you to channel the Reiki energy more efficiently and thus be able to perform your work of healing animals. I always recommend having read, assimilated, and practiced my book Reiki, Dr. Mikao Usue's Original Teachings, a 3-level course, before performing the attunement. This is so that you will have a better understanding of the topics that will be discussed during this ritual. Next, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably or lie down, and close your eyes. The attunement lasts about 15 minutes, for which it is important that nothing and no one can interrupt you during this time. Before entering an attunement, it is advisable to wash your hands, take off jewelry or any tight or uncomfortable clothing, and forget for a few minutes the worries of the outside world. And above all, relax and let yourself be carried away by the experience. With this recording, I will guide you through all the stages of the attunement. There will be a review of the Reiki symbols that we covered during the course, so I recommend that you have some paper with the symbols printed or drawn on it. You can open your eyes and look at them whenever it is relevant, in case you do not remember them with your visual memory. Let's start with the attunement. Close your eyes, dedicate some moments to breath peacefully and deeply. Relax and release any unwanted tension of the body. Clear your mind of any worry of the outside world. Just be in the present and devote yourself to the experience. Now, visualize that you are in a forest. The atmosphere is peaceful, everything is well lit and the vegetation is very lush. I am going to let the music play for a few moments, so that you can visualize this scene as if you were in the middle of a movie, except that in this movie you can see, hear, and feel everything. Now, in this beautiful forest, you are looking for a place to sit and contemplate the horizon. In the distance, the sky forms a beautiful canvas. Only a true artist could paint the sublime colors that this sky reflects. And so in the middle of the sky, as if it were a canvas, you begin to draw the first sacred symbol of Reiki, the Chokurei, which means, the energy of the universe is here. As you look at the Chokurei symbol in the sky, you feel how Reiki begins to be channeled into your body, activating your chakras and giving you a sense of well-being. I am going to leave the music on for a few moments, so you can experience the Reiki energy in your whole body. Then, the Choku-rei symbol begins to fade in the sky, but a next symbol begins to be drawn, which is the Hiki, the symbol of emotional healing. To activate this symbol, visualize it for a few moments in the middle of two Choku-reis. I will let the music run a little so you can feel the activation of Hiki. Now, look at the Hiki symbol alone, while it increases in size a little. This symbol gives mental and emotional harmony. From now on, you can use it to heal emotional wounds from the past, and bring peace and tranquility into your being. Feel for a few moments its healing action on your whole emotional being. Next, the Hiki symbol fades, to give way to the next symbol, Hanshozi Shonen, the symbol of healing through time and space. To activate it, look at the symbol surrounded by two Choku-reis, as if it were a sandwich. Feel for a few moments the activation of the symbol directly on the psychic or quantum plane of your being. A pleasant sensation of expansion and lightness should accompany you. With this symbol, Hanshozi Shonen, you can send your Reiki energy and heal at a distance, as well as at other times in the future or in the past. This symbol causes Reiki to travel through distance, but also through time, making it a very practical tool for the Reiki healer, and at the same time freeing him or her from the material constriction of time and space, bringing him or her closer to the true nature of Reiki, which is universal energy. Visualize for a few moments the symbol Hanshozi Shonen, in isolation, while you feel how the Reiki emanating from your being is able to travel in space, but also in time. The symbol fades away, and you find yourself once again in that beautiful forest with its peaceful atmosphere. Now, visualize all those pets that you have had in the past or in the present. See how they come out from behind the bushes and approach you with a look of tenderness and love. They come up to thank you for all the care you have lavished on them, for all your attention and affection, and also to wish you good luck on your new path as a Reiki therapist for animals. Think about how much animals need humans to take care of them and cure their physical and emotional ailments. Think of how much animals teach us with their wisdom, loyalty, joy, and unconditional love. I will leave you for a few moments in the company of your pets, to be inspired by their peaceful vibrations. Your attunement is coming to an end. It is time to leave the forest and return to your daily life, but always preserving the peace you have just experienced. Say goodbye mentally or with a gesture to your pets. They will always be there, your pets of the past and present, to accompany you, inspire you, and send you all their love. Do not forget, at the end of this recording, open your eyes and move slowly, without effort, until you sit up, as well as wash your hands to cut the energy, and you can join the remaining activities of the day. If possible, also drink a glass of pure water. During the next 3 or 4 weeks, do not forget to drink plenty of water, and perform the self-treatment positions at least once every 24 hours. This in order to stabilize the new energy that you are going to start channeling. From this moment on, as soon as you mentally or externally visualize the symbols, you will be able to channel the Reiki energy for your own healing and that of other people or pets. My name is Isis Estrada, and it is a privilege to have been the Reiki Master who attuned you to Animal Reiki. May peace be with you, and may this new path bring you interesting and positive experiences.